welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that I haven't talked about on this channel, something that I'm very passionate about helping people with, and that is if you are an e-commerce business or a subscription box business and you're struggling to get sales, one of the first things that you want to start looking at is how much traffic are you bringing to your website each month. A lot of times business owners will come to me and they say, Carrie, I'm not getting sales, I'm not getting customers, what do I do? The first thing I will ask is, how much traffic are you getting? And so the first thing is to be aware of your traffic and where to find that. You can find that in your Shopify dashboard under analytics, and you want to look at how much monthly traffic are you getting. So traffic is really the secret sauce for you to sell your products. You have to get more eyeballs over to your website in order to buy from you and make it easy for them to buy for you. So you might be right now using Instagram, you might be dabbling in a few marketing channels, but in the end, until you are actually consistently increasing your traffic to your website, your sales aren't going to budge. In this video, we're going to dive into 5 relatively easy ways to increase your website traffic. Just so you understand how website traffic and conversion work. The average conversion rate for a Shopify store or a Create Joy website store is going to be about 2%. And I know that sounds a little bit low, but that is the average. So let's say you're getting 100 people to your website each month. If you're converting 2% of that, that's gonna be about maybe 2 sales. The thing is, if you just increase your traffic by a little bit each month, your sales will grow. It is literally a numbers game. So what happens if we flip the switch and we got 1,000 visitors per month? If we converted that at 2%, that's gonna be about 20 sales. So you want, one of your major goals for your e-commerce or subscription business is to be increasing your website traffic each month. So year and year, you should have more traffic. And again, you can find those analytics in your Shopify dashboard. The more traffic you drive and the more sales you are going to get for your website. And if you haven't watched my video on how to create a subscription box website that converts, then click above and watch that video. It is an amazing video and it walks you through how to create the right website that converts into sales. Part of traffic is you're bringing people to your website, but then you need your website to do the magic and actually convert that into sales. 5 ways for you to increase your website traffic. Number 1, increase your call to actions on Instagram. There are really few easy ways to increase traffic from Instagram to your website. 1, in your photos, when you're posting product photos, make sure you tag the images and also give them call to actions like click link in bio to shop or shop now by tapping the photo. Tell your customers to buy from you. Don't just assume that they're going to. The second thing is in Instagram stories, you can sell products. Instagram is a sales channel. So make sure you're using the swipe up feature in your stories and tag your Shopify products. Always, 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 always. The third part is always resharing customer images in your Instagram stories and tagging your products and tell people to buy. Again, give call to actions. Every single time you have an Instagram story with a product, tell them to buy from you. It's a no-brainer. You have to keep telling your audience to buy. The second thing to drive traffic is Pinterest. Pinterest is a gold mine for traffic, and it's one of my favorite places to drive traffic to a website if you have a product business. The thing about Pinterest that you may not know is that Pinterest is a search engine. So it complements Google. So just like Google, when you go to Google, you search for something specific like gluten-free pizza recipes or pink shoes or open-toe sandals. You're searching for something specific, and Pinterest is exactly the same. People go to Pinterest and basically whatever you search for, Pinterest matches you with other content. So blogs, articles, etc. So what you want to do is create content and then upload that into Pinterest as pins. So it could be a blog post, it could be your product images, it could be images of your products that customers have used, it could be videos of unboxing. Anything that you're doing on Instagram, you can basically share right to Pinterest, but also Pinterest is a sales channel. So here's the most important thing. Pinterest wants you to be promoting your products on Pinterest, and so they're favoring e-commerce businesses right now. So if you do not have a Pinterest business account, get a Pinterest business account up and running. You will literally drive so much traffic with minimal work. It is my secret weapon for driving traffic for a product business. And if you're like, well, I have no idea how to use Pinterest, I have a solution for you. click the link below in the description and take my Pinterest course. It is a very low ticket course. It is $97 and I'll give you a coupon for $20 off if you click below. But the course will tell you everything that you need to know to set Pinterest up the right way, start pinning, all the things you need for Pinterest. So please take my course. It will really, really help you. The third way to drive traffic is to send a box to a subscription box reviewing company. So there are sites like My Subscription Addiction, HelloSubscription.com, and they do monthly unboxings. And it's an amazing way for you to get your stuff in front of new eyeballs. So what they do is you send them a box. They will take the box, take photos of it with nice backgrounds. They'll do a review about your box. They will do a proper unboxing. Thousands and thousands of people go to those websites every single day so they can get ideas for subscription boxes that they want to try to buy or to gift. So it's an amazing and really easy way for you to get your name out there, promote brand visibility, and just get people to find you. And then they can go to your website and buy from you. So it's amazing. Number 4, which is one of my favorites, starting an affiliate program. So my favorite affiliate program is Share a Sale. I will give you a link below. Share a Sale is an amazing place to have an affiliate program. An affiliate program really is a way that you can work with YouTubers, bloggers, influencers, and having an affiliate program really incentivizes them to want to work with you. An affiliate might post a video of your product on their YouTube or on their Instagram, and if people buy, they get a commission from you. And Share a Sale is the best platform because everything is really easy. It's automated, and Share a Sale is a marketplace, and so people will go to Share a Sale that have a blog or YouTube channel, and they will then search for other people to join, and so it's easy for people to discover your affiliate program. So it is my number 1 most recommended one. My business, the Dapper Dog Box, honestly made tens and tens and tens of thousands of dollars in sales using an affiliate program, and I'm not even joking. The amount of work that you do is so minimal. It's so easy. I really want you to consider having an affiliate program. It's not only going to help you get sales, but it's going to help you get in front of so many new potential customers to buy from you. And then all those YouTubers and, Instagram influencers and bloggers, they get thousands and thousands and thousands of views every day on their websites and blogs and YouTubes. And that helps you to drive lots of traffic to your website. So you want to work with affiliates. Share a Sale is, again, my number 1. I'm going to add the link below. It's by far the best, and I would not recommend any other affiliate program. The last way to drive traffic to your website is to collab with micro influencers. So I'm not talking about Kim Kardashian or Kylie Jenner. I mean an influencer in your niche. So it could be anyone that has a small, engaged audience. So what you can do is you can collaborate with an influencer, you send a box to them or you send product in exchange for an Instagram post or a video or a reel or a story or whatever you want from that person. The benefit of working with an influencer is that you're getting your products in front of other people's audiences. And here's the thing, those people, the influencers, already have an audience that is nurtured and warm. They've built up their like, know, and trust. And so by the time they're promoting a product, their audience trusts them. And trust is the number 1 way to sell products. People will not buy from you if they don't trust you. So influencers are a really easy way to inject some extra cash into your business because they have an audience that will buy from them. The audience has to be warm and engaged. And you can tell, you can go to Instagram accounts and you'll see, if you're doing some research, you might see someone that has 20,000 followers, but they get no comments. And when they do get comments, the brand doesn't even bother to respond back. That's the worst person to work with. I have found in my business and my clients' business, people that have small accounts, like small but mighty, those are the ones that will refer the most business. Be wary when you're looking for influencers. I never paid them. I always give them free product. So sometimes you're only going to find people with small followings that will work with you, but it's worth a shot. And 2, you can then get really great images from them that you can use on your Instagram or your website or your email marketing campaigns. For me, influencers are just a win-win across the board. All right, guys, if you love this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and leave me a review and comment. I love hearing what you're liking about the videos, and I want to know what you want to learn more of or what you want me to promote more of. If you want to work with me, I have a new marketing accelerator group coaching program that we start at the end of May, and it's a program that will help you basically become a marketing ninja. So if you are a subscription box business or an e-commerce business and you're struggling with marketing, like you have no idea how to market or your Instagram efforts aren't working for you, my program will be a great fit for you. We cover 3 key areas of marketing: Instagram, email marketing and list building, and working with influencers. And we'll really deep dive into this program and teach you everything you need to know to make more sales and drive more traffic. And it's a 12-week live group coaching program. I only take 3 to 4 people in it, so it's a very intimate group, and it's a great way for you to become better at marketing, because in the end, marketing is a secret sauce to selling your products. All right, guys, I'll see you next week. Bye.